Sometimes when he works on certain areas, this time it was my belly and the last time it was my hips, there's just unexpectedly, from feeling blissful and relaxed, unexpectedly I just feel really emotional, and like it's just coming up inside the emotion, and it's just got to come out through my eyes and crying, and through my mouth in like sort of noises like sort of sounds, and it's amazing. It's like unlike anything I've ever felt before, because it's just come from nowhere, this emotion, and it feels like it's coming from that part of my body where he's massaging, and it feels a bit like physical pain, but a different sensation as well, like that you can feel that it's something deeper stored, and just releasing the emotions, it's a powerful thing, and then you just feel better afterwards. And the other thing that's amazing about it is when he's doing the body massage, it helps the flow of energy and the blood flow amazingly, the chi, the life force. You can feel it flowing through you, and you can feel it particularly running down your arms and into your hands, and it feels like really strong pins and needles. Mal says that you need to mix sounds to help open the throat chakra and allow the energy to flow into your head, and there's been a couple of times where I've felt relaxed enough to make a few sounds like and that helps, and I've felt the energy in my head as well, and it's reduced the feeling of it being in my hands. And so the only other thing I've got to add is Mal himself, his touch feels just loving, and he's so kind, and it just feels good to feel loved and to be touched and be loved, because a lot of things happen in your life, I'm sure everyone experiences where times when they don't feel loved. So he's a great guy. He's a special guy. Yeah. I'd really recommend anyone to go to one of Mal's workshops to find out more about all of this, because it's a really great way to learn about it and practice it, and fully experience the Tantric journey.